Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on Pinterest and showing you how to see connected devices on your PC. This feature is essential for managing your account and ensuring your security. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Pinterest website at pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to account settings. Click on the gear icon and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest account. Now, look for the security option in the left sidebar and click on it. This section is crucial as it contains settings related to your account's safety. As you scroll down the security page, keep an eye out for the Show Sessions option. This feature allows you to view all devices currently connected to your Pinterest account. It's a great way to monitor where your account is being accessed from. When you find Show Sessions, click on it. You will see a list of devices that are logged into your account, including details like device type and location. If you notice any unfamiliar devices, this is a good time to take action for your security. If you want to remove any connected devices that you no longer use or recognize, simply select the device from the list and click on End Activity or Revoke Session. This will log that device out of your Pinterest account, keeping your information safe. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see connected devices on Pinterest using your PC with this new update. Regularly checking this feature can help ensure that your account remains secure and that only trusted devices have access. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to check back for more tips and updates on how to make the most of your Pinterest experience. Happy pinning!